So I saw this batter dispenser the other day and I purchased it. It's pretty cool. We made pancakes, mix it right inside. You pull this, it lets out just the right amount of batter. And we enjoyed this purchase. $4 at Dollarama. Okay guys, another fabulous frugal find from Dollarama. Make that batter. You got milliliters on that side. You got cups and ounces on this side. Lid. Let's make some pancakes. You see me now? Me no measure. Me just put in a mix. So that's what I'm finna do. And I'm just finishing this box of instant President Choice buttermilk pancakes. Who wanna make it from scratch? I love that for you every time. But me now, you see, as for me and my house, we do the instant thing. So I put some water in, mixing it in this, okay? No drip. No drip. No drip. No drip. Okay, let me mix. I'll be back. When I'm mixing, I mix it a little at a time. Because I'm not measuring, I just do it until it's the consistency that I want. This is good enough for me. So I check. See how it flows. So I just finished mixing. I'm gonna leave it like that. You can put the cap on. I'm gonna leave it top down. Ooh. Got my butter. Got my batter. Alright. This is the lever here. Maybe I should close the top if I'm gonna turn it around. Okay. Let me see if I can get this for y'all. Woo! See that? Look at that. That's it. Like, that's it. A little tiny bit of drip. But that's good for me. I love this for me. If you love this for you, Dollarama has it. So as I come to the end, you can use your spatula and just help guide this bit out. And as I bun up the rest of these pancakes, because I really gotta go, I'm gonna show you how they turned out. I actually have a pancake molder that pairs well with that, but that's another story for another time. And this is my plate to go. Okay, bye.